Yo guys, how's it going? It's been a while. I'm back. I got a headset, so my mic is a little bit better. It's not as horrible because that was coming from my speaker. We currently have 3 XFAs, and this was my first week trading them. One of them I had already taken the payout on, and I just had it sitting around on a low balance. First account this week up 300. You can see the stats for yourself. Boom. Good average win to average loss. My balance right now is 936, and I made 300 this week. So I had 600 bucks left in this account, and so I was trading 1 to 2 micros. So that's why my losses and wins are very small. Is what it is. This is good. Monday was a good day. Friday was decent, and yeah, just a losing day is what it is. Nothing much to say. So overall, good starting week on this account. 2 $200 days, because this is on the old standard path where you need the 5 $150 days. So boom, start building those winning days and then start building that balance. Switching accounts here to this one, I actually activated it this week. I passed it and activated it. Yeah, as you can see, this RR makes no sense. I was kind of getting chopped up, or I was chopping myself out at break even or a very tight loss because the market was in a weird range at the end of the day, but I was trying to go for the short. We got it for 60 bucks, but lost a couple, scratched a couple, and yeah, didn't make much, honestly. I probably could have went heavier, but I'm going to talk about what happened on Friday, which kind of threw my whole mood off, so let's get into that. And to do that, we need to get onto the third account, which, yeah, $37, not great. And I was actually up 200 on this account. So let's go down here. Size, not the greatest. Look at that. Worst trade, $341. You're like, what the hell? What were you doing? What were you doing there? And shit, let's just talk about it, I guess. Because I was up 200 on this account. 4 in the morning, I was trading. I'm like, it's Friday. I saw the move was possible for my level, so I was like, all right, let's just stay up. If I hit this trade, then I don't trade for the day because I already hit 200 bucks on the other account as well. So I would have taken the Friday New York session off. But my friends, let's just get into the charts here. As you can see, we were up and then we were down to start the New York session, and grinded my way back to break even. So let's set the stage here. So overnight, we've been pumping, and we have last week's high at 530 to test. And we have this spike and then pullback. And for me, I'm like, this is a low risk entry. I can give this room and add, which was my plan. So adding on the first resistance to turn into support, and then we're looking down here at the 68. So that's exactly what happened. First entry there, second entry 68. But I was also looking at down here. I set another limit order to buy down here as well. And that's where we'll talk about it later. Boom, from there we go into my TP quite comfortably. It's 4:30 in the morning and I go to bed. I fall asleep. I'm none the wiser. And boom, let's see, market opens. What do? Oh, we crash. Market opens and we crash. We crash straight into my ad. But obviously I'm asleep. I'm asleep through all this, so I'm not watching this. And, we just completely reverse all Asia, all London, all of that. And I get back on my computer, 7:30 for initial balance, because that's what I usually do. I don't really know. I just woke up, I saw my position and what had happened, and I kind of just panicked and exited. Maybe I could have built a long down here and just try to go for these highs, but that's just not my style, and I just decided to close it. So yeah, after that I attempt to go short here off value area high, but we keep retesting and doing all this stuff. And given my loss earlier, I wasn't really willing to let the trade ride, because normally, like if I was trading this normally and I'm trying to short here, I just set my stop above 490 here, just give it that big stop. But I just wasn't willing to do that because I'd already taken the loss from earlier and didn't want to end the day red. So I kept like taking profit, stop that break even, take profit, stop that break even. And so that was kind of what you see at the end there. And so that's how I ended the week. That kind of sucked, to be honest, because that would have been two $200 days. And I would have ended my Friday up, up $400 across my fundeds. That taught me a valuable lesson though. When you're trading the overnight, you can't play around. You got to make sure when you exit, you cancel all your orders. And yeah, I mean, I learned my lesson. It's real money. That's $100 I could have made in my pocket, but it is what it is. So that's been my review for this week. If you guys have enjoyed, stick around for next week and watch out for my shorts this week. I'll be uploading daily. If you guys want to follow the journey and watch real, genuine trading with no, gimmicks or anything, follow and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week.